Okay. Tip off. First position. Lista. Maravilla 2 points. First point of the season, Maravilla. Number 21, Dominic. Reverse layup by number 25. Okay, players, pakitakin ang inyong shirt, please. Pakitakin properly. Number 3, no good. Number 3 from the side. It's good. Assisted by Maravilla. Number 1, no good. Number 18 pass to number 0. Out number 25. Number 25 push up. Nothing but net. And 1. Number 3 is foul. And 1 for number 25. And 1 is good for number 35. Push up, it's good by number 23. Reverse again by number 35. It's good for 2 points. $89 from the side. It's good. From number 1. 25 again. Under the shot. Number 8 push up using the glass. Number 89 pala yun. Yan. Using the glass for 2. Kariaga. So, Maravilla. So, number 19, 3, no good. Lost. Intercepted by number 39. Doing that, for 3, no good. Rebound number 25. Pass to number 3. Nice assist by number 25. So, number 3 for easy 2 points. Shout out nga pala sa ating mga fans today. Number 25, pass to number 1. To number 17 for 3, Sambog. Rebound 25, lost the ball. Number 89 by himself. Layup is good. Score is PG 89-50. Drop to number 39. Almost lost. Pass to 0. Maravilla is up for 2. Number 3 to 80. No. Nice assist to Maravilla for 2. Substitution, guys. Okay, boys, tuck in your shirt, please. Tuck in for your safety. JR, tuck in your shirt, please. Number 20, to Eric. RG Waro. Reverse ka good. Number 4 na move. Pass to number 20. Out to number 4. Lost. Finally lost. Pass to number 20. Number 20 layup. Lampas. Lima pencil. Again, inulit. Number 4, cross pass. So, I don't know ano number. Number 13, pala! Good. 13, 2 points. $25 for tres, rebound number 4. 13 again! Sabi ko. Number 13 for 2 points. Long pass to RJ to number 20. Number 20 pulls up. No good. Rebound. Number 13. Pass on the 10. Number 10 is no good. Back up foul. Number 7. Two shots free for number 10. Number 10, first shot is good. Number 10, I'll take it. Number 7, push up. No good, rebound 19. Rebound 15. Offensive foul, number 15. Number 4, 3 points. Number 4, 3 points. 3 points? Yes. Sila ka tingin. Number 10 for tres. Bumawi ang number 10. Number 4. 25, foul. Number 4, shot is good. Rebound, Castro. Number 10, number 10 to number 15. Number 15, nakakuha ng butas. Substitution. Number 15 for the layup. It's good. $89 for a shot. No good to his foul. 39. 39 push up. No good. Rebound number 1. Number 1 for Tres. Number 1. Number 1. Shot is good. Marabelian. 23 for the rebound. Our score got close. 89 to 23. Random violations by number 23. Reversed by number 25. Now good rebound number 3. Maravilla, pass, kanan layup, rebound by number 3. Pass on Maravilla, underneath by number 19, turnover. Same ball. 23. Rebound by number 0, Maravilla. 18 all the way to the hoop. Easy layup for number 8. 2 points. Number 1 for 2.01. Rebound. Pass to 39, pass to 25, 25. Bilis. Habol niya for 2 points. Number 1, 0-1. Out to 89. 89. Nice assist. 0-1 for the Lakers layup. Nice play by 2 guys. Pass to 18. 18 to Maravilla from the middle. Nothing but net by Elvin. 89, push up, double. 5, number 0, to number 18, number 18. Back to 39, accepted, number 17. Pass to number 89, 89, dancing to the floor, and pass to number 23 for easy 2 points. 39 to 18, 18 almost lost, he fouled. 18, no good rebound, number 17. Number 1 intercepted, pass to number 89. 89 to big guy, 23. Wala pa na yun. Maravilla, 2 points. Substitution. Substitution. Number 10, 23, JR for 3 points. Hey, easy layup by number 20. 25, to number 10, number 10 push up. Physical class no good, rebound, number fast break. That's good. By number 3, 7. By number 7. Number 7, easy layup in. Follow up by number 4, out pa rin. Rebound. Number 4. Oh, Ricardo. For number 4. Number 13. Nice pass. Sana lang ang tira. Rebound, Real. 13. Lost the ball to number 10. Number 10 po. Number 13, 2 points. It's a travel violation by number. Layup by Ajit. Castro. Pasa to Tigio. So number 4 for the layup. Okay, that's the first half.
Roof moss might be
Number 0 for 2 points. Dropped to the 89. Almost lost. Recover by 23. Back to 23. Long pass to number 39. 89 for the rebound. Pass to number 1. Hindi na sa loob. 39, receive the pass to number 1. I 0, I mean. Reverse layup to 1. Number 1 for 2 points. Number 0 for the follow-up, Marvinia. Intercepted number. Tapos. Rest of it, rebound 23. Pass to number 89. The number 01. The number 23, reverse by there. Number 3 to 18. Pass to number 25. Number 25 bound as lock. Is up the goal, rebound number 2. Number 18 for 2 points. 23 to number 1. Number 1 for 3 points. Salah, rebound by 0-1. Pass to 89. 89. The number 01. 01 for Fresno. Hindi ito intercept. 0-1. So number... There by 23, no good. Followed by number 3. Number 7 for a shot. It's good. I saw it number 0. Number 25 for 2 points. Intercepted by number 18. Pass to by himself. Parabilia. Sara. Substitution.
Sayang.
Number 7. There by number 4. Number 10 to 15. Blocked by number 13. Oh, number 13. Number 13, first shot is good. Number 13, second shot is good. 2 for 2 for number 13. Intercepted by number 13. Number 13 is going all the way. Tapos, ang layup. Rebound by number 7. Number 13 was up. Gumilit. Sumala. Rebound number 15. Last pass. Hey, we got a thing for Greg. Number 7. Back to number 7. Tapos na content. Number 4 more times number 3 from number 15. Number 15, tumitik, tumayap sana. Foul number 7. Tapos na number 13. Number 10 for the layup, no good. Rebound number 15, bottom shot, no good. Rebound 28, that's good. Apple. 55 on the ball. Passes at 13 for the layup. It's good. Reversed by Tokyo. Number 78. Number 17, try for tres, the good, rebound, number 15. 15, turnaround shot, tapos rebound number 13. Uh-oh. Regalo, tapos tayo dyan. Number 13 left, no good. Number 20 pass to number 4. Number 4 is in there. Double triple by number 15. Substitution. Yan po lahat ng nasa loob, pwede mag-stay up to them. Pwede na sila mag-stay kung gusto. Pwede rin palitan kung ayaw. Counted foul, and one by number 1. Para na coaches, yung inyong mga players na nasa loob, pwede mag-stay up to them. Marabella, pass to number 18. Number 18 for Preston, book rebound 23. Pass to 89. 89, push up. Double, number 18 is there for the rebound. Number 3 for 3 points in Bento. Number 1 is there for the follow-up. Good. Number 3, Bentoven. No good. Rebound para Julian. Pass to number 3. Wow. Number 23. 2 shots. 4 in Bento. Number 3. Ang 5:30, hindi kayong mag-sub kasi nandito itong palitan. Open sub, 5:30. Kinawin ang number 1. Kawin kami nilaw yun. Rest for number 1, 3 points. Number 3 to 18. There's a travel violations by number 18. Number 1 out to number 01. 01 for tres again. Mapahabol ang SPG. SPG sa mga palaging First time out of the season. Number 18, Paso Invento, 42.7, rebound, sinuwan, intercepted by number 3 to number 0, 0 for 2 points, nothing but net. Twenty-five is foul. 0-1, 2 shots. First shot is good. Second shot is good. Umigkas, tumira.
Ito na lang.
That's drop to number 25 to number 0. 0 for the layup. 5:30, pwede magsa. 5:30. Open shot. Sa 10 kulang, ha? 10 kulang. Block by number 0. Open shot, open shot. Open shot. Yung gustong pumalit, pwede. Yung gusto mag-straight, pwede rin. Isa na open shot. Number 0. Block by number 0. Same ball. Out of bounds by the white team. Number 18, pass to number 0, back to number 20. Number 20 is number back, foul by number 20. Cruza por 3. Good. 2 points pala. Sorry, 2 points. Senior na ng referee. Number 0. Pasa. Intercepted by Benjamin. Number 10 all the way. Last touch. Red. pulls up the good. Rebound number 4, pass number 35, pass to 0. Tapos, number 4, 0 again. Using that, forward for 2. Time out. SPG.
Bye. Well, it depends on you.
Number 0. Oh, out of bounds. Out of bounds. Yung pong buhay na maliit sa loob ng malaki, yun po ang ating pinagbabasihan. Number 3 pulls up for 2. '89 from the middle. Shot is good by number 89. Number 13, Putres, coming back net by number 13. Isa na ang lamang. Time out, red. 3 points by Pastor Sendo. Number 18. Number 4, block. Points. Java invento from the side is good.
Nice game. Fine. Not bad.
All right, congratulations.